What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I am with my dad.
Hello.
Today we are going to be making some Spanish rice. In my last video I asked and you guys all said rice, so we are here today to make some Spanish rice. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is get some oil.
There you go. We got some oil here. Already got the store going. Gonna put just a little bit of oil in there. That's it. Now we're gonna go and do the salami. This salami over here, you can pick it up at any Spanish store, Walmart or Publix, and kind of little slices like this. And don't forget, this one here got a little plastic. You gotta take this little plastic out, or else you'll be eating plastic.
That does not sound yummy.
Okay, now you take this, put it inside there for a little bit. Take this over here and slice them like that. Be careful you don't chop your finger. You can cut it big pieces, small pieces, whatever you want it. I like to cut it not too big pieces. This salami here will give you a good flavor in the rice. Then you take this salami, put it with the greens. Make sure this a little higher there. A little bit of spoon over here. Just mix it up a little bit here with the oil. Then let it cook for a little bit. Get a little brownie. This is the gandules. You can get this in any store, Spanish store. Goya, that's good gandules. A lot of people they call them ho con gandules, and Spanish people ho con gandules. This is the one you gotta get. And then you take 2 little packets of sazon, 4 packets. And then once that thing is done, real crispy, you take the sazon, you put it there, the salt, and we'll go from there. Almost done. The salami. Now the first thing you do, put a can of salt in there.
That's tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. A little bit of water, mix it up. Over here. Get the rest of the tomato sauce out of there. Alright, now we go and we'll put the sazon. It's real simple to do. Anybody can do this.
Anybody, I can do it.
The rice will take about an hour to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It'll be real good. You will like it. Alright, mix this sazon there real good. Okay. Now we put this is a sofrito. You can make it your own self. You can go to Spanish store. That's where they sell more of the stuff. That sofrito got onion, pepper, chorizo, and garlic.
And cilantro.
And cilantro. Cilantro, you put it in the blender, mix it up, and this is what you get right here. It got a good smell, and it make the rice taste real good. All right, you take a little bit of this, that much, and mix it up there, and mix it up like that, real good. All right, now you take the beans, the gandules.
Do you drain it? You don't drain it?
You don't drain it, because they got vitamins in there. You just put it in there, and you taste it. Mix it up real good here. You can see already, it looks real good already. It's not, we don't even got the rice yet. Then you take a little bit and taste it and see if you taste cilantro in there. I can put a little more. You always want to get the good flavor out of the cilantro.
Always taste to make sure you have the right amount of seasoning.
Yeah. All right, since that's done, I don't need this. Then you take olives. You can put any kind of olives. The one with the pits, or the one with no pits. It'll make you hardly no difference. And that's Goya too. You can find this at any store, Spanish store, Publix. Put a couple of spoons in there. That's it. Now you take a little bit of salt and make sure, watch the salt. If you put too much, you'll ruin the rice. You just put a little bit like that. That's what I always do. I never put a lot of salt because you can ruin the rice real fast. You mix it up real good. Make sure the salt is nice in there. Then you taste it. It needs a little more. That's about it. And you see that I don't have to put no water. Everything already there with tomato sauce and gandules, the own water there. Now we'll come and do the rice. Put the rice over here. I like this because you can use this little cup and you know how much to put. Go like this. 1, 2, 3 cups of rice. Now you mix it up real good here.
It smells delicious.
That's it. Then you wait. It'll take about an hour, 15 minutes around there. And then once all that water is almost drained out, then you put this lid. You'll put it in once it's drained out a little bit, and let it cook.
All right, we'll be back, guys.
Okay. Now, since it's almost a little bit dry, we're just gonna mix it up. Be sure you get nice and mix it up like this, real good. As you can see, the water is almost all gone. All right, that's what it is right there. Then you take the cover it up like that. Then you come back maybe in another half hour or a little less than that and check it out. Then you gotta keep on mixing it until you get it the bottom and the top, and it'll be done pretty soon. That's it. Okay. This is last time I mix it up. You can see it's almost done. You want to mix it up real good. Get the bottom up. Then I can cook the top down. You can see it looks good. And this little pot right here, it feels like 4 people. Taste it. Oh yeah, that's delicious. We'll give me another 15 more minutes and then it'll be done. Well, this is the end of the rice. My rice is done. See, not sticky or nothing. It's the way the rice is supposed to be. All right, let my daughter taste it.
All right, guys, let's try this.
That's hot. Real hot.
Look at that steam. Amazing.
Good rice. It's real simple to do. You just gotta follow the instruction, and anybody can do it.
All right, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's give this man right here a good job. He did an amazing job on this rice, and if you guys make it, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you make it. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below. Make sure to share it out. Thank you for all the new subscribers that joined my channel, and until next time, guys, I'll see ya.
Hey ya.